really real out here. People are definitely getting stuck out here, y'all. Look at this.
Damn, I should have took the main road. What the fuck was wrong with me?
Why they stop? Why they just stop like that? They stuck. It's really a snowstorm out here, y'all. This ain't no game out here. You gotta really be careful out here, cause I'm showing again, cause you gotta really be careful. I'm outside. Yes, outside the door, the back door. On the balcony. Look at this. Woo! Y'all, they built the snowman. I had to come out here in the front. So I'm back outside, but in the front, they built the snowman. Dang. I had to get that, because I'm like, a snowman seen that out the window? Like, dang. So really a snowman. Somebody probably, I don't know who else, but that's the first snowman I seen since this snowed. And got the scarf around it. That's a, oh my, actual, dang, that's my first time in a while seeing a snake in, dang, let me see. Dang, I seen a snake when I was like, I don't know, I think I was in middle school, we never seen a snake, but dang. Dang.
If you want.
Dang. Y'all, they outside in the snow. This snowman is falling apart. Boy, it look like they ain't even finished the snowman. It don't even look like they finished this snowman when they was out here, these people. And they was doing the snowman. Somebody did a snowman. I think they was out here yesterday. They probably did a snowman. Or the ones I seen out here. So I had to come out here and show these snowmen, but that snowman look halfway done. It don't look all the way done, but yeah, halfway. And this one was all the way done. But you know, it's gonna melt. Everything gonna melt. Oh, they put the glasses on top of the snowman. That's a carrot nose, huh? With the leafy arms and the scarf. Okay, what is that for the eyes? Oh, look it. They didn't track this inside. It looks like it's wet on the floor, son. You see this? I'm done with dialysis. And look at this. Been done. And it's snowing out here. Y'all see this? It's really snowing out here. Enough snow to have a snowball fight. And the snow angel and make a snowman. This is real. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at the cars. Look at that. So I'm showing. Dang. This is really real. Again out here, it's snowing. Go ahead. Man. Wow. Snowing. Definitely, as you see. Had to get this on out there. It's snowing. Man. Man. Look at that salt on the ground. Man. Usually I'm gonna be out of here. I got off the machine earlier. Yeah, they was getting people off the machine. Yeah, I started seeing them, like they getting people off the machine because they trying to get out of here. No, they is. I ain't saying they trying, they is. That's what they want, you know what I'm saying? That's why I came in here more early for my time 6:05. But they gave me time 5 o'clock. And I've been off the machine. I'm still waiting for the ride, but I'll be gone. But hope y'all be safe in this weather. You dig what I'm saying? Hope y'all be safe, because people not used to this. Even people from up north, you haven't drove in the snow in a long time. Especially people living in the south for long. You dig what I'm saying? So you're not used to it. But you should be familiar with driving in the snow though, if you're from the north. But that don't matter. You know, people care about their tires. It's just different things why people, they don't want to be out here in the snow. They don't. But I hope y'all be safe and nobody get hurt out here. If you do driving in the snow, have to go somewhere, if you can't stay at home or wherever, somewhere. But hope you just be safe and don't get, none of y'all get hurt out here, man. Nobody get hurt. But this is real, man. Another day of snow. I remember 2010 or 2011, I was still a teenager. The same amount of snow happened. You dig what I'm saying? So I got a clip, like out the door, showing this, outside the door. And I'm just showing, y'all can see this is real, like snow. I hope people be safe, man. It's not like it's not worse than like California when they have them fires. They just had a fire. Some people's houses got burnt down. It's crazy, man, when it comes to that. But some people not used to this because they not really from up north. And Indiana, it's just people from north that haven't been in this situation in a long time. I know young ones gonna want to get out here and enjoy this snow. I just hope people be safe. If they gotta drive in this, you get back, go to your destinations safe. This is crazy. It's really out here snowing, y'all. Dang. Yeah, 2010, 2011, I remember I was outside playing in the snow. That's the first time, one of them years, 2010 or 2000, when I played in the snow. And me and my sisters and friends was playing in the snow too. It's really real out here. People are definitely getting stuck out here, y'all. Look at this.
Damn, I should have took the main road. What the fuck was wrong with me?
Why they stop? Why they just stop like that? They stuck. It's really a snowstorm out here, y'all. This ain't no game out here. You gotta really be careful out here, cause I'm showing again, cause you gotta really be careful. This is serious. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Dang, man.
That's why I was stuck in the flow.
I just hope people that is stuck, they get from this and get to their destination, wherever they gotta go safe. Nobody be driving crazy. I be careful. I'm outside. Yes, outside the door, the back door, on the balcony. Look at this. Woo! It's gonna get built up ice. Got a feeling it's gonna get built up ice. It is. Hanging from buildings, ice, houses, whatever, but it's gonna get built up ice. And I'm getting this on my actual camera. This is my actual camera, y'all. Them other clips is on my phone, y'all, but this is my actual camera. I am getting this, man. I'm showing y'all, man. Man, I hope y'all really be safe, y'all, out here, man. Cause this is dangerous, man. Be safe. Don't be out here just drive. Cause man, you want to be safe inside. But if you have to go somewhere, like I said, be safe. Cause man, this ain't no joke, man. This the time I actually seen a snowstorm in Georgia. An actual snowstorm, y'all. And I seen some like from lights earlier. You know, some like it's gonna happen, but it really happened. Like I seen it from a light, like the lights. I seen it from a couple of lights though, and it really happened, y'all. It really happened. This is crazy, y'all. Man, crazy. Y'all, it's gonna be people out here, young ones that's gonna enjoy this snow. But one thing, it's okay to come out here for some time and enjoy the snow. You dig what I'm saying? For snow, you know, enjoy a snowball fight, like I said in the clip on my phone, and really just make a snow angel. You dig what I'm saying? How you enjoy the snow. But at the end of the day, You will freeze out here. Because people not used to this. You will freeze if you're not used to snow. Never use. You're going to see how freezing you're going to get. But dang, look at this. It's real, y'all. You will freeze out here, man. For real. And if you from up north and you just having... Just from the east side, period. Where it snows. Because not just like places, you know, the north, it's, well, yeah, north is different places, but what I'm trying to say is, wherever it snows, dang, because people really got to deal with this. That places that really snow, people got to deal with this. This only happens this don't even happen that much. Because this is Georgia. It don't happen that much. And other places don't happen that much. You know what I'm saying? That don't get snow. But at the end of the day, this end up happening, for real. This end up happening. Damn. This what you gotta see, now this snow. Look at this. Picking up snow in my hand. Look at that. Dang. Look at this. Dang. I'm out here on the balcony. Dealing with this snow, y'all. Well, because I ain't dealing with it. I'm just in the snow. Choosing to be in the snow. So it ain't like I gotta deal with it. Because I wanted to come back out here and just see what's up. But damn, this snow. Snowing. So, this what's going on. A snowstorm, y'all. A snowstorm is going on. And people really getting stuck in this. Man. Hope people get to their destination safe, man. Because it could be scary, man. People not used to it. Really not used to it. Or up north and they not used to it because they haven't been in this snow situation in a long. Yeah, I understand, but still, this is crazy, man. Y'all, they building the snow. They built the snowman. I had to come out here in the front, so I'm back outside, but in the front, they built the snowman. Dang, I had to get there because I'm like, a snowman seen that out the window. Like, dang, so really a snowman. Somebody probably, I don't know who else, but that's the first snowman I seen since this snowed. And got the scarf around it. That's a. Dang. Y'all had to get that on camera, y'all. That snowman, because I seen it out the window, so I had to actually come outside on the front, you know what I'm saying, and get that on camera. A snowman. He building a snowman, but you know, other people from other areas, you know, he building a snowman out here in the snow. In the front. Cool. Yeah, man. Damn. As y'all see, man, the snow's kind of getting more and more thicker as it. Dang. More and more thicker. It really is.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Good job, ladies. Oh my God.
I had to get that on camera.
Oh my God.
Dang. It's piling up. More and more snow. Woo. Yeah.
I gotta see this. Y'all know I'm gonna get a picture of that.
Yeah.
And look what's so crazy is I was just telling people I'm from
Yeah.
Chicago, but I've been out here so many years. I
Dang.
don't want to drive in my nerves. I'm old now, so. Oh my God.
They the ones over there making the snow. I don't want to get them on camera. I don't know if they getting on camera, but I'm just showing that they making the snowman, and it's really real, as y'all see. But this is, yeah, man, it's going on. It's actually,
Y'all stay warm.
it's actually going
Y'all
on,
stay
man.
safe.
Were you out? This what happened the day this actually happened, and I didn't even watch the news. I didn't even look at the news or nothing like that. You know, I don't watch the news like that,
Y'all
but
want to turn
I ended up looking. I actually looked on my phone and they said it's supposed to be a light snow. No, this really was a snowstorm, like it said it was. That's what I heard.
So cute.
That's what I heard. And the dialysis from them that it's gonna be a snowstorm, and it actually was a snowstorm. Not no light snow. It was a snowstorm.
You know what I'm gonna do? So listen, I'm gonna
Actually, the snowstorm came, and today is the day on this Friday.
Okay.
So and it's January 9th.
Okay, I'm gonna print it out.
And I'm actually showing this, clips of this. And it's on my camera, and I got clips on my phone that I'm showing this. On this day, January 9th, is the, dang, snow, real, man. Oh my, actual, dang, that's my first time in a while seeing a snake. Dang, let me see. Dang, I seen the snake when I was like, I don't know, I think I was in middle school, went on we never seen the snake, but dang.
You can pet him if you want.
Dang.
You want to hold him? Yeah. Oh, just like slide off.
Okay. Dang.
There you go.
Let me put my phone.
There you go. He won't bite you, I promise. He's just smelling you.
Yeah,
Do you mind if I get a picture of you?
yeah.
What do you think?
Dang.
Seven don't know what to do.
Yeah, I'm just in shock. Right now, like I'm holding a snake. What kind of snake this is though?
He's a ball python.
Oh, okay, the ones you can get at like PetSmart and stuff like that.
Yeah, but I don't get a snake from there. They don't take care of their animals.
Oh, they don't.
No.
Where you get this one from?
I got them from an exotic pet store. So if you want a snake, I suggest that or like.
Yeah, 'cause they said they more like less like harmful,
Yeah.
like snakes. Like if you get your first snake, yeah,
A ball
So dang.
python is good, yeah.
yeah. Hey, I
He
want
won't
a snake
bite.
one of these days, yeah. One of these days I'm gonna get a snake, yeah, definitely will. But thanks for letting me
You're
hold it though.
welcome. His name's Seven.
7?
Yes, I'm gonna post on his Instagram. It's Seven the Snake, just spelled out.
Okay. What's your name?
Leo.
Leo. Okay.
Yes. Nice to meet you.
All right. Nice to meet you. Dang, I was holding a snake. I hold a snake. Yeah, I hold a snake when I was more younger. I probably in middle school or something. I went somewhere and was holding a snake in school, but somewhere because you know how me being in special education classes, you know they take field trips, and I went somewhere. It was middle school or I don't know. Could have been 9th grade because you know I was in special education class. To be real, I was. So they took field trips like people, little kids. But at the end of the day, that's special education. And I went, and I ended up taking a field trip, and I hold a snake, but it was a bigger snake though. It was a bigger snake. I think it was a yellow python, bigger snake, way bigger than that. But that's just a ball python. Dang, I was in shock.
And moving up into Floyd County. Now, remember, freezing rain is liquid when it hits the ground or the snowpack. So, it is snow accumulation we have, and it's been 2 to 3 inches in many spots. The freezing rain on top of it means no more.
Y'all, they outside in the snow. Outside in the snow. I had to come back out here. Out the garage. And now, yeah, they outside in the snow. Look at this, man. Dang. So got hit with this, and you gotta enjoy it while it lasts. You know, some people not used to this, so you know, they gotta enjoy it while it lasts. But I hope y'all enjoy it. If you got kids and you enjoy seeing them playing in the snow, or you actually playing in the snow with them, man, because You gotta enjoy it while it lasts, cause it's gonna disappear. Yeah, all it's gonna be gone. But they say they supposed to last to 7 a.m. tomorrow. Not sure. Just gotta see if the snow's still gonna be or what's gonna happen. But out here in this, and now I see some. Dang, came outside like it. Yeah, I'm actually recording this and showing y'all because I'm like, this the first time in a long time that I'm seeing this much snow out here. And last time Georgia been hit, it been like I said, about I remember when I was a teenager still, like 2010, 2011, one of them years where snow hit, but it wasn't an actual snowstorm. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't an actual snowstorm, but this was an actual snowstorm. So yeah, it was an actual snowstorm. You know what I'm saying? But
It's like, honey, we don't have to go to Ashford
look at
now.
this. Look at this. People is on the hill.
TT, look, these people got their kids out there.
At this
They
park.
use that Piedmont
Is
Park
it
out
Piedmont
there.
Park?
Oh, they're like, we
If
don't
you
have
know,
to
you
go
know,
to
y'all.
Ashford now, honey.
If you know, you know. But yeah, they got sleds. See one person so far with a snowboard. They enjoying it. Definitely. You gotta enjoy it because you don't know how long it's gonna last. You really not. But yeah, they out here though. Look at that.
Holiday is packed at Piedmont Park.
Look at them.
Since this is
They out there for real.
going as you predicted,
Yeah.
almost the worst case.
Want the shelter. I'm like, people out here. People, they enjoying the snow, so I had to get it. Yeah.
Severity of the ice.
I ain't got on shoes, y'all. I want to go all the way out here. But what a day, y'all. What a day. What a day. Snowing. What a day. It snowed. What a day this been. I mean, well, I can't say what a day, but it's still, yeah, the morning time. It's like 10 something. 10 something, or it should be 11 now, I don't know, or 11 something, but it's still the morning, so I can't technically say what a day, even though I said it. It's too early to say what a day. Yeah. Maybe when it hit the afternoon, y'all. Then I can say that. I can more say that if it hit the afternoon. Yeah. But showing again, man. I'm showing that the snow is about to melt. Yeah. It's almost. It's turning into ice, so you gotta watch out. Well, let's see. Like y'all with me, but I gotta watch out because at the end of the day, I can step on some ice and slip. You dig what I'm saying? But it's clearing up. And look at they snowman. It's falling apart. Look at this. The snowman is falling apart because it's turning into ice to melt. So that's why because it's melt. Yeah. Falling apart. But look at this. But yeah, it's still snowing, but it's turning into ice. So some of it is snow / ice. But it's really gonna be all actually ice. Like all of it. Not just like some of this. It's gonna be all ice. Man. But it did snow like it said it was. I'm gonna get a picture with this snowman right there, as you see. Yeah. This snowman is falling apart. Or it look like they ain't even finished the snowman. It don't even look like they finished this snowman when they was out here, these people, and they were doing the snowman, they would, come on. Here. Yeah. But the one that was out here doing this, they don't look like they finished. Almost. Yeah, they don't look like it. Because at least they'll have the face on there, at least. It will still be, look like it's a put together snowman, but it don't look like it's finished. But somebody did a snowman. I think they was out here yesterday, they probably did a snowman. Or the ones I seen out here. So I had to come out here and show these snowmen, but that snowman look halfway done. It don't look all the way done, but yeah, halfway. And this one was all the way done. But you know, it's gonna melt. Everything gonna melt. Oh, they put the glasses on top of the snowman. That's a carrot nose, huh? With the leafy arms and the scarf. Okay, what is that for the eyes? As I'm showing y'all. But yes, man. They made a full snowman right here, a mini one. That one looked halfway done. It don't even look like it was all the way done. Showing y'all the snowman. And then they snowman in the front falling over. I tried to get a picture with my camera. My actual camera that I'm recording with now, because this is what I switched to, the actual camera. And I got some clips on my phone, but I actually switched over to the camera. And I got some clips on my camera, you get what I'm saying? So, see them out here yesterday making a snowman. But I don't know if the exact one that was over here that made that half snowman, y'all. That started, but looked like they ain't finished. That one. That made this, I don't know, or it might be some different people. Some different that made it. Some young people out here. Yeah, so I got on camera. I got it on my camera. I'm gonna be a part of this video, but I'm showing y'all this. But I showed y'all. So if you watched, I mean you tuned in to see me showing this snow, because it actually did snow, man. And it's still, you know, plenty of snow right here. Well, it's like icy snow now. So it switched into icy snow. It did. So, like icy snow. Whew. Yes. But I end up saying I'm gonna record and show it actually snowed. Like, man. Couldn't believe, but it did. Hope y'all been enjoying the snow. Yeah, enjoying it. You did what I'm saying. But look, I got ice right here. Look. I've been throwing ice down. Look. Yeah, that's from me throwing ice down. So I've been throwing ice down. I got a small one. And look it. Boom. Just for no apparent reason, I've been just throwing ice down. But yeah, like I said, I hope y'all been enjoying this. People that been enjoying the snow, especially yesterday, because now it turned into ice. Snowy ice, you know what I mean? And some parts are just ice. You know what I'm saying? Fully ice. You know what I'm saying? But people have been enjoying it yesterday, especially because some of the snow dried up and turned into ice. You know what I'm saying? So they really enjoyed it when it was snow. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, people are enjoying it like that. Showing on the news. Well, y'all gonna see if you watch the YouTube video. You know what I'm saying? When I post it, saying I got it on when people going sledding at Piedmont Park. You dig what I'm saying? You know what Piedmont Park is. You know. You know. It ain't got to be. But anyway, that's where people was at. Because, you know, I live in Georgia, so, you know, I see that. Been living in Georgia for, it's going on 18 years. It's already 18 years. But, yeah, so, as y'all see, look at this. Look at this. Y'all see my feet stumping? This is, dang. You could hear the crunch. Dang, man. Yeah, people that enjoyed this because they're not used to this and they don't get snow so much. I mean, I said no, but they don't really get snow. It don't really happen like that out here or other places that it don't snow. You know what I'm saying? And if they get a time when they get hit with some snow, it don't happen that much. But I don't know where else it been hit with snow though. But I don't even know that we got hit with. But I don't know where other place besides us. You know what I'm saying? We got hit with the snowstorm yesterday. Crazy. Some people got stuck. They could, you know what I'm saying? Some people were stopping on the side of the road. You got to speed up a little, not the speed through this shit, because you will crash, stuff will happen. But you don't want nothing to happen back, you know, by crashing or something. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, you're supposed to speed up a little bit when you're going up the hill. You dig what I'm saying? Because your car will get stuck, and then your car will be moving back and stuff. You dig what I'm saying? So it's real. But I don't know who else got hit with snow. Just a snowstorm, you know what I'm saying? Because not just got hit with snow, it was an actual snowstorm. And it really did happen.